Welcome. These are 125 integrals considered as model questions. 125 integrals. For more details, please go on our channel. Let's integrate this first question. Let's integrate this first question. Integrals of sine x plus cosine x dx. Here we integrate each integral separately like this. Dx to get negative cosine x plus sine x plus c. Why? Because of this. Look at here. See, the integration is an inverse process of differentiation. When you differentiate cosine x, you get sine x. Inversely, when you integrate sine x, you get negative cosine x. The same here on sine. When you integrate cosine, you get sine, but when you differentiate sine x, you get sine. Because of this inverse process of differentiation and integration, it's why you write this. The reason why we get this answer like this. Thank you for watching.